Hi guys, I got new bands. These are from Monowear Design and they're called Infinite Wave. But first I'm going to show you what I'm wearing today, also from Monowear Design. This is a Saffiano leather band. The color is pearl. It has a beautiful butterfly clasp. And I love the texture of this band and the finishing touches. And this bracelet is from CVS. They have a basket at the entrance with jewelry for like 99 cents, so I got it. And it looks super cute. Okay, the new bands come like this. And the first color is Ocean. It is so pretty. Wait. Okay, look at this band. The colors. Oh my gosh. This blue with the bright green. I'm in love. It is made with a dual layer elastic woven nylon, and the adapters and the buckles are made of hard plastic. Do you remember the Pop Swatch watches? Well, this band reminds me of the band they had. Very pretty. And the fabric is very soft. And you can adjust it to fit perfectly on you very easily. This one is definitely one of my favorites. I love the combination of these two colors. Alright, the second color is Coral. And the band's length go from 120 to 195, by the way. Wow, looks so bright. This one's perfect for spring, summer, or fall. It's gorgeous. With a rose gold buckle. Beautiful adapters. So lovely. It's very well made. I love how soft they are. Okay, the third color, this is Seaweed. And Seaweed, it has a very nice olive green. It goes great with beige, brown, black, white, gray. All bands are unisex. And I hope you're able to see how nice the fabric is and how well this band is made. Seriously high quality right here. And you know I only show you bands that I love and that I would wear. Alright, and the last color. These boxes are nice. This is Pebble. And Pebble is a beautiful gray. It will go great with anything and it will be good for any season. I'm gonna wear these bands with and without bracelets because I think they're gonna look good either way. I really like the adapters. Sometimes I get tired of the metal adapters. Very pretty. So soft. And well, the adapters slip right in. Very easy. Look at my watch. I love this green. It's very easy to put on, just like that. Look how cute. It gives it like a 90s look. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. It's very comfortable, super soft. And it looks really cute. I know I say cute a lot. The coral. Bright and cheerful. Looks great with my tan. I love it too. I see me wearing this one all the time. Seaweed. Looks very good with rose gold. And I like the butterfly face for this band. It changes every time the watch wakes up. And Pebble. Just change the face to match your band and your outfit. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to change faces and how to create your own from your pictures. And meanwhile, go visit Monowear Design and check their other bands. As always, nobody's sponsoring this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can contact me faster on Instagram, and there you can see how I will be accessorizing these bands. And if you want to guess how many bands I have now, leave a number on the comment. Okay, be safe. See you next time. Bye.